Welcome to TechGen, where we explore the latest technology, innovative gadgets, and smart buying guides to help you make informed tech decisions. If you're searching for a premium mechanical keyboard that offers wireless freedom, extensive customization, and an exceptional typing experience, you've probably come across the Keychron K10 Maximum. But is it actually worth your money? How does it perform in everyday use? What makes it stand out from other mechanical keyboards? Who is it designed for? And could this be one of the best full-size wireless mechanical keyboards available today? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, current offers, and availability. The Keychron K10 Max is a full-size 100% mechanical keyboard designed for professionals, programmers, gamers, and enthusiasts who want maximum functionality without sacrificing customization. It supports 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C wired connectivity, allowing you to switch effortlessly between multiple devices. Whether you're working on a desktop, laptop, tablet, or gaming setup, the K10 Max provides a fast and reliable connection with minimal latency. One of its biggest highlights is the 2.4 GHz wireless mode, which offers an impressive 1000 Hz polling rate when used with the included USB receiver. In real-world use, this means ultra-responsive input that's ideal for gaming, while Bluetooth mode provides the convenience of connecting to up to 3 devices and switching between them with a simple key combination. It's a perfect balance between productivity and performance. Another standout feature is its hot-swappable design with Keychron Super Banana mechanical switches. Since the switches are hot-swappable, you can replace them without soldering, allowing you to personalize the typing feel whenever you want. The Super Banana switches deliver a smooth tactile experience with satisfying feedback, making long typing sessions comfortable while also providing the precision many gamers and enthusiasts appreciate. If you're enjoying this review so far, consider giving the video a quick like. It really helps support the channel. The K10 Max also supports QMK and VIA, giving you virtually unlimited customization options. You can remap keys, create custom macros, assign shortcuts, and fine-tune your keyboard layout to match your workflow. Whether you're editing videos, coding, designing, or gaming, having complete control over your keyboard can significantly improve productivity and efficiency. Compatibility is another major strength. The keyboard works seamlessly with Mac, Windows, and Linux, and includes both Mac and Windows keycaps right in the box. Instead of buying separate keyboards for different operating systems, you can switch between platforms quickly, making it an excellent option for users who work across multiple devices. The RGB backlighting adds another level of customization, allowing you to choose from numerous lighting effects and colors that match your workspace or gaming setup. Beyond aesthetics, the illuminated keys also improve visibility when working or gaming in dimly lit environments. Compared with similarly priced mechanical keyboards from Logitech, Corsair, SteelSeries, and Asus, the Keychron K10 Max stands out with its QMK via programmability, 1000 Hz 2.4 GHz wireless, hot-swappable switches, multi-device Bluetooth, and full compatibility across Mac, Windows, and Linux. Rather than simply being a wireless keyboard, it's a highly customizable tool designed for both serious productivity and competitive gaming. If you're searching for a premium full-size mechanical keyboard that combines wireless flexibility, excellent typing performance, deep customization, and modern connectivity, the Keychron K10 Max is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a programmer, content creator, office professional, or gamer, it delivers a premium experience that's built to handle virtually any workflow. Thanks for watching TechGen. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. See you in the next video.